Hi, this is Miss Harkness. This video is for Eureka Module 2, Lesson 5, where we're looking at rotations. Specifically, I'm going to focus on 90-degree rotations in this video. So in order to figure out our rotation, we need to know the following information. What figure are we rotating? What point are we rotating around? How many degrees? And in which direction? So let's take a look at an example. In example 2, trapezoid CDEF, so that's this one, has been rotated 90 degrees counterclockwise. The coordinates of C prime, D prime, E prime, F prime, which is this one, are listed below. What pattern do you see happening in the coordinates on a 90-degree counterclockwise rotation? So C had 3 and 2. It still has 3 and 2. But they're in different spots, and the 2 got a new sign. D was at 1, 5. It still has a 5 and a 1, but they've also switched spots and got a new sign. For E, had 3 and 5. It's still a 5 and a 3, but new spots, new sign. And then for F, new spots, new sign. The rule is XY becomes YX, they switch, and then it is counterclockwise, so the left side is going to get a new sign. So let's try one of these out. I'm going to come down here and do a counterclockwise rotation. Step 1, record the ordered pairs. You can see that I've written down the ordered pairs and then color-coded them so you know which one came from where. Step 2 is to use the rule. The rule I've listed up here, where the X and Y switch spots and then the Y gets a new sign. So for P prime, 1 goes over. And then it's counterclockwise, so the left side gets a new sign. For Q prime, the 4 comes to the X, the 1 goes to the Y, the Q gets a new sign. For R prime, doesn't really matter because they're both 5s, but the left side gets a new sign. And then for my last one, the 1 goes over, the 5 goes over, the left side gets a new sign. Then my final step is to graph. Graph and label, but graph. So let's start with P prime. Back 1, up 1. Q prime, back 4, up 1. R prime, back 5, up 5. And then S prime, back 1, up 5. Connect the dots and I'm done. The original question said counterclockwise. I went from quadrant 1 back to quadrant 2. That is a counterclockwise rotation. And that's how you rotate 90 degrees counterclockwise You'll use the same process for a clockwise rotation, except for your rule for clockwise is a little bit different. So, hope this video helped. Again, it's for Eureka Math 8, Module 2, Lesson 5.